I am Shavana, and we are connecting with nature and the elements. Today we are going to connect with fire, the ancient primordial energy that clears away the debris across the planet to make way for new growth. So too, if one focuses on the divine flame within, we can remove debris from our physical body and energetic fields. Take a deep breath in with me and let us focus on fire. Inside the center of every cell in your body is a tiny divine flame. It is smaller than the smallest atom you can ever imagine, and it is brighter than the brightest sun. It burns, and it waits for you to call on it, to do actions to advance you in your personal power and spiritual journey. Today I am going to call in a language of light to the flame within you while you focus on the center of your heart chakra where everything begins. Take a deep breath in now and shut your beautiful eyes. Feel yourself connecting just all of your focus to the center of your chest, where the bone is between your breast or your pectorals. Imagine a beautiful dark cave, and in the center of that cave is a flame. Here we go. Breathing, eyes closed. Imbayando Imbayando Osha Opa Simbratayana yono yani yao Shimbra Shimbra Ombra You have ignited the divine flame in every cell of your physical body. I will see you tomorrow. All my